So it's time to answer a very important question. Do these tins, these Galar tins, have XY evolutions in it? If you recall from when we went searching for Pokemon cards with Celeste the other day, she said we will find she said we would find evolutions packs. And so, did we find evolutions packs in these tins? It is time to find out. But before we get to there, we gotta do one very important thing. So we do have the 3 Galar starters here as tins, or the tin versions of the starters. So we're going to choose our starters. Goose, which one do you want? Do you want Grookey, Sobble, or Score Bunny?
Score Bunny.
You want Score Bunny?
Yeah.
That's not what you said yesterday.
Okay, wife. Sobble? Okay, that means I get Grookey, which is actually the one I wanted. Now, let's do this. All right, so the tins are unsealed now, but before we crack them open, do you think there's evolutions inside?
No clue.
I have no
I
clue.
guess.
No?
Yeah.
What do you think? Yes or no?
Yeah.
I think there are not evolutions in here, but let's find out. And if you hear a baby in the background, we do have Laurel just next to the laptop, so you're going to hear babbling and sounds coming from inside. But let's find out if there are evolutions in these tins.
That's really cool. Shiny.
Steam Siege. No, there's no evolutions. Instead,
Lost
there's Steam
Thunder.
Siege.
Oh.
Lost Thunder and 2 Sword and Shield. Okay, so yours has which one? Let's see what's good for you. But I think we have different packs. So you got Sword and Shield. You have Burning Shadows and Steam Siege. I also have Burning Shadows. And then you got a Lost Thunder?
Yeah.
Interesting. Huh. I don't know if it depends on the tin, but apparently the Sobble one has Lost Thunder, maybe? All right. Well, in any case.
Oh, okay. She's
Let's
going.
crack them open now.
All right.
Which one you open up first, Celeste?
These ones.
You're doing Burning Shadows
Burning
first?
Shadows.
I'm going to leave my Burning Shadows for last. I'm going to start with Steam Siege.
I'm just going for storage.
Alright, Steam Siege, which, I mean, Pokemon is crazy right now anyway. But right now, Steam Siege Booster Box. Oh, I totally did that wrong because XY. Well, there is the rare holographic rare Hydreigon. Alright, well, there you go.
Does the card trick not look?
Well, XY, it's 3 cards, not 4. Yeah, the XY series. But there we go. There's Steam Siege. Steam Siege right now is selling for the booster boxes for $200 or more right now, which is pretty crazy since it's not the greatest set in the world. Yeah, go for it. Are we doing a Sword and Shield, right?
Yeah.
All right. And then we'll have Celeste go next. Ooh, Galarian, Ponyta, Reverse Hollow, and a, what is that? Poltergeist? Non-hollow.
Oh, I'll take Ponyta.
That one. Luna?
Not mine.
Okay, let's see what you got,
Pick
Bruce.
Ponyta. Ooh, that's a cool.
Got an Alolan Vulpix.
I'll take that.
Of course you will. Got Hoothoot, Mirror, show the cards. We got a Ladybug, a Mudbray, a Alolan Rattata, and I think that's the rare, an Alolan Eradicate. Look at that chunky boy. Watch out, Chunky Chew Pikachu. We got an Alolan Eradicate. Might eat you. We got a Metapod. We got, what is that? A Semisear. Porygon 2, and a Ralts. All right. Let's go. I'm going to go into Sword and Shield next.
Well, I'm ready to go. So.
Oh, go for it.
Wait, what am I doing? I'm doing another Sword and Shield.
Okay. Let's see what you get left. I feel like I get Hyper Rare. Hyper Rare? No, but a hollow rare. Hey, we'll take a hollow rare. Well, I don't think I've seen that card before.
Cobalion?
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 Oh, that's no, that wasn't Sword and Shield. What?
Wasn't Sword and Shield? Oh, you're right. It was Sun and Moon.
Okay, what you got, Goose? You got Diglett. You got a Pharaoh Seed. Who's that? Goldeen. This person. A Joltik. Got the reverse hollow is Beatty. The rare is a Cloister. We do got energy, a Raboot, some candy. And
That's not candy.
it is rare candy. And the Lumberry. All right, so far no ultra rares. I mean, they do come with their promos. They do come with promo cards that are the same artwork as an ultra rare. But we have yet to pull an ultra rare yet in these tins, and a Rillaboom non-hollow. Right there.
Whoa.
Okay.
Now, this is
That was Sword and Shield.
Sword and Shield.
Yeah. Okay. I love bring us home. Give us an ultra rare. And no ultra rare.
Wow.
Well,
It's
Lapras, though.
That's cool.
Lapras is cool. I enjoy Lapras. A good Lapras card. Okay, and okay, Celeste, what you got? Got an A-Bomb, Yama, I don't know, Sneasel. What set was this? Is this, I think this is Steam Siege. That's the reverse hollow rare, or reverse hollow rare Hoopa. And the rare is a Weevil, non-hollow. We got a Lamp
Hold on.
and Ambiop and Ambipom. I think I'm slightly dyslexic. Did I do the card trick? No, I did not. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Sword and Shield base. Let's go. Hyper rare. Hyper rare. Vulpix. We'll put that Vulpix to the side. Reverse hollow and a hollow Rangaroo, but no ultra rares. These tins might not have been the best investment. Okay, I will end with Burning Shadows, which I have not pulled anything really good from Burning Shadows yet, but this might be the day. All right, so that's what you got. Got Cufant. We got Baltoy, Chinchou, Sizzlipede, a Galarian Zigzagoon, which is, hey, there we go, a full art Sable IV. Of course, Celeste pulls it. Very nice, very cool card. Sable IV full art, let's go.
I apologize.
Good job. I think this is also a rare. Yep. Reverse hollow Camerat. All right. Maybe we'll gain some last pack magics in these tins. Do you have yours ready?
Yeah, well, the Steam Siege, does it?
Also, three cards.
I did 4 already.
Oh, you
so-
already did 4. Okay.
Oops.
Well,
Just used to doing that.
well, go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, that's your rare.
That's the rare?
Yeah.
Oh. All right.
Well, that's a cool looking card. Ponyta. And yep, that's the reverse hollow.
Trainer.
All right. Burning Shadows. Something good. Last pack magic. Sneasel. Lumen. Vulpix. Reverse hollow Semi Siege. And a non-hollow Beware. All right. Well, from 3 tins, we got 1 ultra rare. So, yeah, a little disappointing, but hey, that was at least a good opening, or at least fun opening. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Was that fun, Celeste?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, that's all we got, guys. So, to answer the official question, there are no XY evolutions in those tins. I didn't think there would be, but you never know. So, hopefully, you guys have a fantastic day, night. Whenever you're watching this, we got a baby upset. So, we will catch you later. Love you.